So remember, the first step is having your toes on the ground, and if you feel that's pretty easy, then obviously start to lift your toes off the ground.
Try not let your hands touch together because you don't want to concentrate too much on this. It's just there as a way of just saying, okay, I've got to go forward and then back, all right? That's it. Good, good. That's it. 2 more. There. 1 more. Forward and back. Well done. Good girl. Well done. All right, Paul said we've got 2 sets if you like.
That's it. That's where all the tension is, right there. Good. There, good girl, and there. Good, right forward. That's it. Good, steady. Come on, let's try 2 more at least. Hold it, hold it. Good. Right forward. Good. That's it, so you're never letting that arm travel too far back. Just to there. Good. You want more? And rest. Good. Well done. Oh, I love it.